May 4th, 2022. Do I have to make the sound again? The Chewies from last year, that was in volume 1, the old school format before I had editing. So if you want to see that, you can check that out. I won't go into too many details with this shoe. I will give you the on foot of these. Slightly snug there in the toe. I did get these in my normal size. Yeah, a lot of details with this shoe. They do a restock. They might be on sale or on clearance on the Adidas website. They've restocked them a couple times. Put in the comments, what is your favorite Star Wars character? You know, Star Wars fans, if you're out there. I did it again. Okay, peace and love.